Today we're going to show you how to create a new survey that is InfraMarker compatible from a template. Start by opening your ArcGIS Survey 123 Connect and logging in. Click the New Survey button. Go to the Community here. You want to type in the InfraMarker components. We have a few of them here to choose from. I'm going to go ahead and do an RFID right-of-way survey. I'm going to name it RW_demo and create that survey. We won't go through the details of the survey. There's another how to use the survey published elsewhere, but we will go to the options. We're going to enable the inbox, disable the sent folder, and we should be ready to publish the survey. So we're going to click publish. It's going to take a minute for it to do all the components that it needs to publish that into my ArcGIS Online. And once that has been completed and we get down to the survey published complete OK button, then I'll be able to download that to my field device and start being able to use that. And that's where you'll want to go into some of the how-to videos for how to use a reader association right workflow using Survey 123. And there we are. Publishing your survey is complete. Thank you for watching.